Bullish Algorand cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 65 cents and $1.24 by 2030. Market experts accept ALGO could reach 50 cents by 2025. Bearish Algorand market cost expectation for 2023 is 11 cents. Algorand presentation: the Algorand cryptographic money has experienced issues ascending past its ICO value since its beginning in 2019, when the blockchain collaborated with Coinbanks to foster El Salvador's digital currency framework. The cost of ALGO flooded in September 2021. Despite the fact that it has accordingly lost most of these increases, experts and sites that gauge costs are hopeful that it will one day again arrive at comparative levels. What follows for the altcoin, then? How about we analyze the Algorand blockchain's activity in additional profundity and look at its cost improvement? What is Algorand? The Algorand blockchain, which expects to answer the oddity of safety, speed, and decentralization, involves ALGO as its local money. Algorand achieves this objective by making and approving its blocks by means of an agreement method called unadulterated evidence of stake. How much ALGO a client wagers influences how haphazardly the block chief and approval board are picked. Algorand was laid out in 2017 by teacher Silvio Macaulay of the Massachusetts Organization of Innovation in the U.S., and its blockchain and nearby cache appeared in June 2019. The ALGO coin cost immediately fell a day after presentation. Algorand Essential Examination in June 2019. ALGO sent off its underlying coin offering with a $2.40 sticker price. Value tumbled to $2.16 on June 22, the main day of exchange. This was just the beginning, as the value continued to decline throughout the resulting months, hitting a low of 19 cents on September 27, 2019. This crash happened for various causes. The first was the 10 billion symbolic stockpile that would be conveyed steadily. Algorand said that 3 billion ALGO will be sold at public sale throughout the span of the initial 5 years following the organization's foundation. In spite of the great degree of public premium, the market couldn't deal with the enormous measure of ALGO and financial backers' $24 billion valuation. One more expected figure: the breakdown of the value of ALGO's cash was private financial backers. Financial backers bought ALGO through confidential arrangement adjusts, which fixed the coin's cost somewhere in the range of 5 cents and 50 cents. At the point when the token was delivered, it had a worth of $2.16, permitting individual financial backers to make huge increases. Previous Algorand establishment tasks boss Chen Fangfeng addressed a letter to the monetary local area. The letter guaranteed that early benefactors had presented the drive to unreasonable dangers by undercutting and unloading coins, as indicated by worldwide coin exploration. Algorand's specialized investigation in the wake of being added to Coinbase. The cost of ALGO's money expanded. It was one of the swiftest on the stage, as indicated by Algorand. At the point when the news was delivered, the cost had ascended about 30 cents. Throughout the span of the accompanying year and a half of exchange, ALGO attempted to get past the 50 cents limit, not to mention outperform its underlying cost, regardless of a couple of increments. The cash began seeing a bullish pattern toward the start of 2021. All through the year, the token supported this development, ultimately hitting a long-term high of $1.71. Like the previous cost fall of ALGO, various elements could have caused this increment. Stablecoin interest was the first. Stablecoins consolidate the unfaltering quality of government-issued money with the decentralized attributes of digital currencies. Algorand has arisen as a serious option for stablecoin guarantors since Ethereum has costly gas costs. Through a coordinated effort with the momentary currency market exchanging stage Instamatch Worldwide, Algorand was likewise standing out. Algorand dealt with a large number of dollars of exchanges like clockwork. El Salvador, in August 2021, announced that Algorand will act as the establishment for its digital money framework. At that point, the coin was going for around $1.12. In the days that followed, the expense soared to a record-breaking post-send-off high of $2.38. The cash finished at $1.63 regardless of Algorand having quite recently delivered a redesign that improved savvy decreases by empowering them to be written in famous programming dialects like Python and Reach. Algorand is presently worth 15 cents USD. ALGO has moved 1.81% as of now with an exchanging volume of $34,833,152. Algorand is presently positioned 42 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $1,054,485,580 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union difference from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Algorand to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize constant Algorand market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market movement. Algorand Value Forecast 2023. Algorand, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The ALGO cost figure for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to 22 cents. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 21 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is attainable soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. ALGO is supposed to have a base worth of 18 cents. Algorand Value Expectation 2024 out of 2024. Algorand ALGO cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of a LGO will before long outperform 37 cents. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold back to check whether the ALGO's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, ALGO will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 30 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 33 cents. Algorand Value Forecast 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 52 cents and ALGO might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. ALGO is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 48 cents and a low of 45 cents in 2025. Algorand Value Expectation 2026. Assuming that Algorand effectively helps market feeling among cryptographic money fans, the ALGO coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ALGO will be green in 2026. The ALGO is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at 67 cents, with a base cost of 60 cents and a typical cost of 63 cents. Algorand Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the ALGO cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 78 cents by 2027. With a base cost of 75 cents anticipated before the year's end. Besides, ALGO has a most extreme value worth of 83 cents. Algorand Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 93 cents. On the off chance that LGO figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of 98 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help ALGO needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 90 cents. Algorand Value Forecast 2029. While ALGO is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $1.06 and a yearly cost close above $1.13 in 2029. Algorand Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Algorand will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $1.21 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $1.28, averaging out at $1.24. Algorand Value Expectation